Want to create a QR code for Google Calendar using Uniqode, but not sure if it's the best option? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step, and at the end, I'll share some better alternatives that give you more control and features for scheduling events. Plus, I've got an exclusive free trial you won't find anywhere else. Let's get started. First, go to Uniqode and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for a free trial. Once inside, head to the QR code generator. Choose Google Calendar as the type of QR code. This will allow people to scan the code and instantly add an event to their Google Calendar. Next, fill in the event details, title, date, time, and location. Make sure to double-check the time zone because Uniqode doesn't always handle time zone conversions perfectly. If your audience is global, this can be an issue. Then, customize the QR code. You can change colors, add a logo, or adjust the shape. The customization options are decent, but some platforms offer better branding control. Before finalizing, test the QR code. Scan it with your phone to ensure it directs users to the right event. If there's an issue, Unicode's support isn't always the fastest, so troubleshooting on your own may be necessary. Once it's working, download the QR code and use it on event invitations, emails, or posters. Unicode tracks scans, so you can see how many people engage with your event. However, analytics are somewhat basic unless you upgrade to a higher tier plan. Now, is Unicode the best option for this? It works, but there are better alternatives that give you more customization, better analytics, and smoother calendar integration. I've linked the best ones below, and through my link, you'll get an extended free trial and exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Check them out before committing to Unicode. You'll thank me later.